From 2015 to 2022, French civil servant Fabrice Leggeri led the EU border agency Frontex at the height of Europe's migrant crisis. Now, a Paris court has opened a probe into his actions, following allegations that the agency mistreated migrants. The investigation is being hailed by human rights groups as a first step toward accountability.
For the first time, one or more French investigating judges will examine the conditions of the possible criminal liability of Fabrice Leggeri in the carnage that has resulted in thousands of deaths in the Mediterranean, particularly women and children.
The proceedings are the result of appeals by the French Human Rights League and migrant rights association Utopia 56. They accuse Leggeri of encouraging Frontex agents to intercept migrant vessels and prevent them from entering the EU, in collaboration with Greek and Libyan authorities. These actions would contravene the Geneva Convention on Refugees, which state that refugees should not be returned to a country where they face threats to their life or freedom. Leggeri has denied the claims for years. Since his resignation from the border agency in 2022, Leggeri has gone on to become an EU lawmaker for France's far-right National Rally Party. Party leader Marine Le Pen was quick to defend him, accusing the human rights groups of political persecution.
The French people who are suffering the dramatic consequences of migratory submersion will not be fooled by the crude maneuver of a far-left organization. I express all my support for Fabrice Leggeri, target of this odious campaign of legal harassment.
The appeals court will now determine if Leggeri can be tried for complicity in crimes against humanity. Were he to be indicted, prosecutors would need to ask the European Parliament to waive his immunity as a lawmaker through a parliamentary vote.